Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm talking about 7 books that everyone must read in their life. 7 ऐसी किताबें जो सभी को अपनी जिंदगी में एटलीस्ट एक बार पढ़नी चाहिए. The first book is How to Develop Self-Confidence and Influence People by Public Speaking. This is a Dale Carnegie book, and Dale Carnegie is a very famous American writer. इनकी काफ़ी management books या काफ़ी books in general are quite famous, जैसे कि How to Stop Worrying and Start Living या फिर How to Win Friends by Influencing People. The best thing that I like about this book in general is that it can be read by students and professionals both, and there are useful tips in this book that you can apply in your day-to-day life in order to enhance the way you speak to people and communicate with people. And also इनकी जो practical tips इन्होंने दिए हैं, जैसे कि stressing on certain words that are important in certain conversations, मुझे काफ़ी पसंद है इनकी concept और इनकी ideas. And again, in terms of just reading, it's very easy to read this book. The language is not very complicated. तो अगर आपको किताबें पढ़ना generally पसंद नहीं है, I would recommend ये book आप पढ़ें, क्योंकि not only is the language easy, but also चैप्टर्स के बिगिनिंग में और एंड में इन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छी बोल्ड लेटर्स में समरी दी है अबाउट व्हाट द चैप्टर एक्चुअली एम्स टू एड्रेस या कन्वे. तो मेरे हिसाब से दिस इज अ ग्रेट बुक टू रीड. The second book is You Become What You Think. Now, this book has got insights into actually how to make constructive changes in your thoughts and in your mind, so that you can level up in your professional and personal relationships, and you can make tangible changes in your attitude towards life. ये एक ऐसी किताब है जो बहुत ही easy read है. Again, it's about 180 to 200 pages. इसमें तकरीबन 6 से 7 chapters हैं. और इस किताब में बेसिकली आपको ये बताया गया है कि हाउ योर माइंड एक्चुअली हैज़ द पावर टू ट्रांसफॉर्म योर लाइफ, एंड द वे यू थिंक कैन एक्चुअली बी द वे यू लीड योर लाइफ एंड द वे यू बिकम. सो आई डू फील लाइक दिस अ ग्रेट बुक फॉर एनी वन टू रीड. स्पेशली स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मैं ये डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड करूँगी दैट यू रीड दिस बुक once. And in terms of the complexity of language, I do feel like this is a very easy read, and also something that you can understand with limited experience. The third book is Atomic Habits. Now, this is by far the most remarkable and the most famous books of our times by James Clear. Isme, the author has basically stressed the importance of little habits, tiny changes that we can make in our life that can have a transformative change in the way we lead our lives. And also, ये किताब पढ़ने में काफ़ी ईजी है. ऑल्दो आई वुड नॉट रिकमेंड दैट स्टूडेंट्स रीड दिस. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि आप जब कॉलेज पास आउट कर रहे हो या फिर आप अर्ली करियर में हो, मुझे लगता है आपको ये किताब डेफिनेटली पढ़नी चाहिए, बिकॉज द लैंग्वेज कैन बी अ लिटिल कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एट सम पॉइंट्स, एंड ऑल्सो दिस विल एक्चुअली गिव यू द एबिलिटी to make decisions that are very important for your career and for your life in general. तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि everyone must read this book. The fourth book is again an extremely famous book of our time, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Stephen Covey की एक book है, और इस किताब में obviously as the name suggests उन्होंने 7 ऐसी habits को explain किया है which can change your life completely. और ये ऐसी हैबिट्स हैं जो आपको प्रोवोक करती है टू थिंक about the way you see the world or the way you see people. One of the topics that has been discussed in this is the power of perspective. Sometimes हम अपने पर्सपेक्टिव को गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड या द ओनली राइट वे समझते हैं, बट दिस बुक कैन एक्चुअली शो यू एंड डिस्क्राइब दैट different people can have different perspectives, and there can be multiple right answers to a situation or a scenario. So it's a brilliant book. In terms of complexity of reading, I do feel like ये book थोड़ी सी complicated है to read. So professionals might benefit more by reading this book instead of students या college going crowd. But again, it's an extremely effective book. बहुत ही amazing तरीके से the writer has expressed कि how small changes or small habits can actually make a big impact to your life. The fifth book is Lean In. Now, this is by far one of my favorite books. Lean In is by Sheryl Sandberg, and she needs no introduction. She's the former CEO of Facebook and more recently Meta. But also, I think ये किताब जो है it's an incredible work in terms of how women deal with professional settings, and I think any girl or any woman who has been part of huge corporations, yeah, the workforce in general, will relate highly to this book, because not only is the book giving you statistical data on how men and women are seen in the workforce, but also Sheryl actually gives you her own life story and her own life journey through this book, which is लगता है कि it's a very ambitious, very passionate and very vulnerable take on women in workforce. Or the best thing about female writers, I generally feel, especially business books, is the amount of emotional intelligence that they have whenever they approach a work setting, and the vulnerability that they showcase when they are working. And I think it reflects in this book. So everyone should read this book. It's a very easy read. The language is not too complicated, and obviously women who are already in the workforce will benefit more and will relate to this more, but also I think students will love to read this book because it's a very motivational book, I feel. The next book is Management Tips by Harvard Business Review. Now, I happened to pick this up at an airport a few years back, and I didn't fully grasp the realities of this book. But the more experience I gained in my professional life, the more it started becoming relatable. So again, ये book एक practical guide है more than anything else on how managers and leaders can lead their businesses and contribute to the betterment of their employees and their careers. So obviously, having said that, this is obviously not a book that students may benefit from, although you can definitely read it. It's an easy read, but this is more suitable for people who have who are managers or who have a huge team that they manage. I feel this has got very good practical tips in terms of how the managers of today can contribute to the success of their team by taking small steps, by taking mindful steps in order to achieve their goals. And again, this is a tiny book, as you can see, but every page is a new lesson or a new chapter. So it becomes very easy to read and it becomes very easy to understand. And last but not the least is Becoming by Michelle Obama. Again, a very popular book, and it's definitely not a management book. It's a memoir by Michelle Obama, and Michelle Obama needs no introduction. She was the former First Lady of the United States, married to the former President of the United States. This book, ये जो book है, this is basically Michelle's story of becoming herself, of having a voice of her own in the middle of all the chaos and all the madness in her life. And I feel like this is such a vulnerable and passionate take on life. And I also feel like, again, coming back to my point on female authors, the difference that I see is how vulnerable and how comfortable with being emotional female writers can be, and how practical and great in terms of their personal experiences and the tips that they have to offer can be. Because इस बुक में भी ये एक बहुत ही this is a work of deep reflection. ऐसे लगता है कि मिशेल ने काफ़ी internalize की हुई हैं चीज़ें as she was experiencing her life, and she's come up with this fantastic piece of work. So this is definitely a must pick up. for anyone. The language is easy to read. This is obviously, it's a heavy book, but it's one that I would recommend for students as well as for professionals. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any recommendations on what I should talk about in my next video, feel free to drop that. Until next time, see you later.